الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد. قال الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الصلاة تنهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر صدق الله العظيم. Praise be to Allah who is one in His majesty and in the perfection of His attributes. And peace be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, who was supported by his proofs, and upon evidences, and upon his family and his companions, who are the guides of his right path and its protectors. Allah Ta'ala said in the glorious Quran, indeed the salah forbids indecency and debate. Dear audience, today I am very glad because I got the opportunity to deliver a speech on the best topic, salah, if Allah wants. I hope that you will listen it carefully. Friends, in Islam, salah is an Arabic word. Its entire meaning is prayer, and prayer meaning is some special works in a special time with a special method. I am going to talk all about salah, if Allah wants. Friends, total 5 namaz for every Muslim. واقع دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.